Guys, should we expect Dogecoin and other cryptos to take another huge nosedive before the second segment of this huge bull run? Guys, I'm going to be letting you guys know this in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, where we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link to deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, "Ukraine is the latest country to legalize Bitcoin," as the cryptocurrency slowly goes global. In nearly a unanimous vote by the Ukraine government, which adopted a law to legalize and regulate cryptocurrencies. Until now, cryptocurrency in Ukraine has been a gray area. The bill was set in motion back in 2020, however, it did just reach the president's desk. Guys, this is huge. The mass adoption keeps continuing. And as I had said previously, when some of the first countries started to legalize and create Bitcoin as their legal tender, guys, I was sure that several countries would follow up along with it. And sure enough, that's what we're seeing happen right before our eyes. Guys, you want to get in before this mass adoption happens, before a lot more countries start to accept Bitcoin as their legal tender. Because the more money that pours into Bitcoin and pours into the crypto market space, the less volatility we're going to have. Guys, in these infancy stages of crypto, when the prices are literally less than half of their actual worth, it is possibly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because the more people that are in, the less volatility we'll have, the more stability. And guys, the volatility is what allows us to make so much money on my Patreon, because it allows us to buy at the dips when they're steep enough and then sell when we get to the peaks. And also, like I announced previously, the first country to finally legalize and pass Bitcoin as their legal tender was El Salvador. And now you can literally go to El Salvador and purchase a McDonald's burger with crypto. Guys, every time a country adopts cryptocurrencies or accepts Bitcoin as their legal tender, they literally have to pour millions and billions of dollars into the crypto market space, causing the prices to go up because they have to purchase Bitcoin in order to allow their citizens to purchase Bitcoin to use Bitcoin as legal tender. Guys, this mass adoption, all the money pouring into crypto is causing the prices to go up. And guys, we may very well never see these low prices ever again. Guys, you can't compare crypto to real estate or cars, or really any other industry, simply because Bitcoin and other cryptos have doubled, tripled, quadrupled, or even more in value in such a much shorter time than literally any other investment. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, never sell for less than you bought in for. Always have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call them out. Never fear. Never get fearful with paper hands and sell out for less than you bought in for. Because guys, guess what? The price is going to go right back up and you're going to wish you held out with diamond hands. Some more huge news. An article just came out titled, "MasterCard acquires crypto tracing firm, CipherTrace." CipherTrace has been around for a while, and what their main focus has been to do is to monitor transactions of cryptos which are not legal. Guys, this is huge. What does this tell us? Guys, if MasterCard is going to pour millions of dollars into purchasing a firm like this, they 100% plan to incorporate and integrate crypto in their wallets, in their possible virtual wallets that they'll probably make here just within the short term. Guys, this is a huge, one of the top transaction companies in America. And for them to be getting into crypto, guys, this is a huge sign that this is just the beginning for crypto, and that millions and billions of dollars are getting ready to pour in, maybe solely because of this MasterCard adoption. Another article just came out titled, "Crypto Threat Shows that there is a new crypto sheriff in town." The SEC chair, Gary Gensler, put the cryptocurrency industry on notice, letting people know how far the regulator will go in order to put rules on the crypto market. He says that he will sue Coinbase Global if it allows its customers to earn interest on its coins. And the SEC sent a warning out to other exchanges as well regarding this issue. Basically what they're saying is that the SEC is uncomfortable with an everyday citizen earning so much money on crypto. Guys, they're doing this in order to protect the US dollar. They know that the US dollar keeps going down in value because they keep printing money. They're printing money because they're greedy, guys. They're taking our money from us. And that's why crypto is literally a hedge against inflation. They can't yet regulate it like the way that they really want to. And they're waiting. They're waiting for the right time to do so. However, in the immediate short term, the best thing for you to do is to be able to earn money in the crypto investments before they end up getting in and putting their hands in your pockets. Guys, if you put money in the bank, getting interest in the bank is so incredibly low, like 0.001. They don't want cryptos to start competing with that because they know that banks won't even have any chance at that point. So that's really what they're afraid of. They're afraid of that the regular traditional banks will simply go out of business. You could either hold your money, literally the US dollar, in your savings and watch it go down in value over time, or you can put it in crypto. And historically, you'll see it continue to go up in value. Another article just came out titled, "Doge Cost Averaging. Robinhood rolls out fee-free recurring crypto buy feature." Retail crypto traders on Robinhood can now set up commission-free, recurring investments in multiple crypto assets on daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, which means that they're not going to charge their users per transaction if you decide to make it a recurring payment on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. And guys, Dogecoin adoption for Robinhood is literally the reason that they're earning 62% of their profits, which is clearly the reason why they are focusing so much of their team's effort on crypto improvements. Guys, Sentiment on Twitter tweeted out saying that people are being fearful. They're getting fearful that another huge dip is coming. Because of course this wouldn't be a bad thing. It wouldn't even mean that our bull run is over. It would simply mean that it is time to get greedy. Time to buy in more. Guys, this could happen because of more FUD, more fake news out there that the whales are putting out to drive the price down so that they can get in at a very good price after scaring the smaller retailer investor with paper hands into selling out, literally handing their money to the whales. You could be like those smaller retailer investors that get scared when this fake news comes out, or you could follow the trade signals that I put out so that you can swim with the whales and that you know literally not to listen to your emotions, not to follow your emotions and buy and get greedy on the uptrend, because guys, that's the worst time you could do it. It's best to get greedy on the downtrend, on the dips when they are steep enough, and that's what I look out for as I watch the charts throughout the day. Guys, the reason you only want to put in 10% of your overall investment in each time that I call it the dip is because you can dollar cost average this way. And on average, make money on each trade in the long run, because you never know if it's going to go down lower in the future or if it's going to go higher in the future. This way, on average, at least when you're buying at the steep enough dips, you know that there's only a short period of time on each trade before you see profits. And that's the reason of such success that I'm seeing with each of my patrons. Guys, during these times of dips, consolidation periods, guys, it's completely normal and healthy for a good bull run. And that's what we're seeing on the charts on a lot of the top cryptos. We're seeing ascending triangles form. This sort of bullish symbol tells us that we're about to have a breakout. It could be to the upside, it could be to the down. But because we have had so much FUD and fake news out there causing the prices to dip, I'm expecting a huge pump here very, very soon. So you want to be positioned very well before this happens. And guys, about a year ago, when we saw Bitcoin dump 20% after a reverse head and shoulders pattern, of course, we saw a huge pump to the upside. So I'm expecting this to happen again. And guys, when this happens, expect for Dogecoin once again to outperform every other crypto, and for the rest of the cryptos to follow up along with Bitcoin. And as we look at the charts for Dogecoin, we see that it did head up, right, with this bullish pennant, but of course we had some sideways trading, and then we dipped down some. But then here was our huge dip, right? But it's very good because, as you can see, we dipped down, we hit our level of resistance, we went up a bit, and then we hit it again. Guys, this is a double bottom. A double bottom is very, very bullish, so I'm expecting it to head up from here. But guys, that means right now is some of the best times to buy in. Have some cash on the side. Buy the dip when I call it out. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stock worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. And that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.